Firma Trading Classic Cars Australia is proud to present this very beautiful MGA Mark 1 1958. This car has had a ground up restoration over many years. Comes with lots of receipts. It's got a galvanized chassis, beautiful interior, lots of money spent on this car over the years. It's believed to be a matching number vehicle. Red wall tires, black spoke wheels, strong engine. It's got a tonneau cover as well, spare red wall tire wheel, beautiful condition. Now presented by Firma Trading Classic Cars Australia. Have a look at our website at www.firmaauto.com. We specialize in lots of vintage and classic vehicles. Contact us if you require more information. Thank you, and please come again.